Deep in an old salvage yard, we found a fallen king. The Hellcat logo buried under layers of grime. Front-end impact, this 710 horsepower beast took a heavy hit. It's time to bring her home for a second chance. Back in the shop, the restoration begins now.
Let's see what's left of that massive 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi. Everything is disconnected and covered in debris. Removing the mangled body panels first. These 20-inch wheels have seen better days. Stripping the interior to check for structural damage. The broken plastic goes to the scrap heap. The heavy lifting begins. The Hemi is coming out. Now we can see the bent frame rails. Putting the chassis on the frame machine. Slowly pulling the metal back to its original factory specs. Precision is key. Every millimeter counts. Cleaning up the old scars. Sanding away years of neglect. Fusing new metal into the old sole. Smoothing out the imperfections.
Wet sanding for a glass-like finish. This is the heart of the beast. Cleaning every fin of the intercooler. New forged pistons and rods have arrived. Building the bottom end for ultimate strength.
Tightening everything to exact torque specifications. Fresh paint for the iconic orange valve covers. The Hemi is looking brand new again. Strengthening the ZF 8-speed transmission. Protecting what shouldn't be painted.
Entering the spray booth for its final transformation. The first layer of protection. Letting the primer cure under heat lamps. Choosing the iconic Octane Red pearl. Watch the metallic flakes catch the light.
Adding the shine that lasts. Buffing to a mirror finish. You can see your reflection in this paint now. The most satisfying part of the job. Installing Bilstein adaptive dampers.
Massive stopping power is back. Braided stainless steel lines for better feel. A new catback exhaust for that Hellcat scream. 4-inch black tips for an aggressive look. Restoring the leather-wrapped dashboard.
The flat bottom wheel with the SRT logo. Installing the red Laguna leather seats. New Alcantara headliner for a premium feel. Fresh black carpet vacuumed to perfection. Carbon fiber inserts for the doors. Reinstalling the 19-speaker Harman Kardon system. The 10.1-inch Uconnect screen powers on. Time for the heart to return home. Connecting the miles of electrical veins. A massive radiator to keep things cool. Bolting on the supercharger plumbing. Fresh synthetic oil for the first start. Bright purple Mopar coolant. Upgraded fuel pumps for more power. Powering up the electronics. The aggressive Hellcat face returns. LED signatures that look like a stare. The iconic racetrack taillight. Downforce for the rear end. Matte black forged wheels for the win. Making those Pirellis look brand new. Every badge back in its perfect spot. Heat extraction for that supercharger. Clean enough to eat off of. Closing with a solid, satisfying thud. New windshield for a crystal clear view. Final small details matter. The moment of truth. It lives. The Hemi roars to life. That beautiful high-pitched scream. No error codes. Pure perfection. Searching for any sign of a leak. Setting the suspension for high-speed stability. Protecting that Octane Red paint forever. One last wipe down before the reveal. Adding some privacy and style. Custom SRT floor mats installed. The red key. The key to all 710 horses. Leaving the shop for the first time. The paint looks incredible in the sun.
That wide-body look is unmistakable. Luxury meets raw power. A masterpiece under the hood. Shifting into drive.
Testing the transmission shifts. Let's see what she can do.
a beast unleashed on the open road, stopping on a dime, ready for a full-power launch.
Smoking the tires to celebrate. From a wreck to a masterpiece. A job well done by the crew. The Hellcat is back, ready for the next adventure.